how to know if you are blocked by someone on WhatsApp, or how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you through certain points through which you can know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. The first things first, you can open up WhatsApp and you'll get an face somewhat like this. As you can see, I have various chats. Now what you can do is, if someone has blocked you, if you tap on the profile picture there, and if you tap on three dots, and if you try to open up the profile picture, then it'll say that there is no profile picture, or the profile picture won't be updated, and there'll be no profile picture. Now you can see this profile picture is updated and it's showing up. However, it might be that someone has deleted and not uploaded a profile picture right now. So if you see at the profile picture and you don't see any update, then it might be that they have blocked you. The second thing what you can do is you can open up the text, and if you send them a text here, now you can see I've texted this person here. Now if you text them and it shows the two check mark here, like here. If I'll text my own number here, I'll also send hi. Now you can see at the message above there is two dots, sorry, and that means delivered. The person was online and the text has been delivered, but he hasn't seen it. If he has seen it, it'll show the bluish tick mark there. Now however, if you send it and it does the person's active status is not showing up on the profile, and you texted them but there is only a single check mark and you can't see their profile picture as well, then it means that they have blocked you. The perfect way to know if someone has blocked you is by creating a new WhatsApp account through other number, or asking someone with the WhatsApp to text them, and if their messages get delivered or responded, then it means that they might have blocked you. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.